This video will show you how to calculate percent change in Microsoft Excel. For example, how did our 2023 sales change in 1 year for each category? The formula to find the percent change has 2 steps. First, find the amount of change, or the difference. I will type the equal sign, click on the new value, type the minus sign, click on the old value. There were 40 more townhome sales in 2024. Step 2 is to divide this difference by the original value, equals the difference divided by the original or old amount multiplied by 100, which gives us 50. But this is actually 50%, so in Excel, we usually do not multiply it by 100, we leave it as a decimal, 0.5, then format the value as a percentage, which multiplies it by 100 and also appends the percent sign. Percent change is all about the original or old value. How did this change? The townhome sales increased by 40. 40 is half of the original amount, and that's why we have a 50% change. We can also combine these 2 steps in the same formula, equals the new minus the old, which we need to put in parentheses so that it will be calculated first, divided by the old value. The advantage of this version is that you do not need to have a difference column. Let's copy both formulas to all the rows. We can see, for example, that a sales decrease results in a negative percent change, and sometimes you have to increase the decimal places to see the exact value. This is actually 0.1% change. If a category has 0 for the original value, both formulas will result in an error, as we can see here, because we are trying to divide the number 2 by 0, and any number divided by 0 is undefined. This means that we cannot calculate a percent change for this category, but we can at least replace the error message with our own text. Let's do that with a formula that uses the if function. On the formula bar, click the function drop-down arrow, search for if, make sure it's selected, and click OK. For the logical test, click on the old value on this row, equals 0. So if the old value equals 0, if that's true, type the text you want to appear in between double quotes. And if it's false, so if the old value is not 0, then we can go ahead and use our formula. In parentheses, the new minus the old divided by the old. You can see the formula in the formula bar, and of course you can type whatever you want to appear in between the quotes. Let's copy this to the other rows in this column, apply the percent format, and write a line. Now if the original value is 0 for any category, the percent change column will say NA, which stands for not applicable. There are other ways to calculate percent change that give the exact same results, but for me, these formulas help me understand what I'm doing. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoy learning about working with data, please consider subscribing.